So trade alerts are one of the most important aspects of the service that we offer at TradingAnalysis. So the way we set it up is we mostly are position traders and swing traders in the options market. See, most of us have jobs, have families, have work, responsibilities, school, whatever it may be. So we're not set up that we need you in front of the computer screen all the time. So we're going to keep you alerted every move we make via text. Okay, so that's going to be a key component. In fact, it's Friday afternoon. I just got done with a workout. We got about a half hour to go before the close, and I like to put a trade on in Tesla slot. So I thought, why not just do it live for you? So Tesla, as we look at the chart here, and I know there's a lot of kind of lines and analysis on here, and just a quick word about that. You can get as much into the weeds, as far into the weeds as you want with this. If you want to learn how to do it, we have the training to teach you. If you want to let us do the heavy lifting and you're like, that's too much for me, just tell me where to buy and sell, don't worry, we got you covered there too. So Tesla looks like we have a quick little move up into this zone of resistance, right around the $320 to $325 region. So what I want to do is, and we're trading 312 right now, so I'm actually going to put a pretty favorable reward to risk trade on, buy the 320 call, sell the 325, which corresponds to this zone, this cluster of resistance up here. And that should give us a pretty good reward to risk profile. So let's go over to the trade. And I've got it set up for you here. We're only going to go a week out, okay? So we're gonna just not give it that much time. We're going to pay a little bit for this trade, $1.60. Now, keep in mind, size is relative. Whatever you're comfortable with, you can trade. If you want to trade a 2-lot, you can risk $326 to make $674. And you should never have to take that full risk. So keep that in mind. We'll explain that as we go on. So let's say I'll just put a 5-lot on here. I'm going to risk $815 to make $1,600. That'd be a nice payday. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this order and I'm going to text message it out. Okay, so I just put the trade on the trade desk, and this is a record of all open positions that we have at this time. So here are the instructions. We're going to go long. It's going to be a full size at tier 4. We'll explain what that means in a little while. We're going to buy the vertical, which is a 320, 325 call spread at $1.58. What the heck does that mean? Well, what I do is I put it in kind of simple terms, and the weekly options expire in 7 days. Buy the 320 call, sell the 325 for $1.65 or less. Have a nice weekend, TG. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is text message that out, and should be received on the text message here very shortly. I'm going to go ahead and execute this trade. It's down to $1.60. This is the mid price. I'm going to go up 1 penny, confirm and send, and I trade this account as well as my my IRA. So I will do, what do I do, a 5-lot? I'll do 3 here, and I'll do 2 in my IRA for the 5-lot. That is now working. There's the trade alert. And now let's just make sure we get a fill. Cancel, replace. We're going to go to $1.62. And filled. Okay, that's a trade. So you could just very quickly, and with the technology that the brokers have now, I mean, I personally use Thinkorswim. You can go right to your phone, take that information, type it in, and you can get the trade done regardless of where you are. All right, guys, so that's just a look at trade alerts. We take you through start to finish. We never leave you hanging. Every time we make an adjustment, take profits, take a stop loss, which we will take, it will be recorded here, and you can go back and look at all prior trades. All right, guys, so that's how we handle trade alerts at TradingAnalysis.com.